Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard keys not working with simple and easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. If you need the keyboard urgently, the on-screen keyboard is a good temporary solution. Right-click the Windows icon and go to Settings. On the Settings page, go to Accessibility, then scroll down to Keyboard. Scroll down, then tick On-screen keyboard. You can now use this keyboard with your mouse as a temporary solution. Right-click the Windows icon once more, then select Device Manager. Here we see our list of devices. Find the keyboards option and expand it. Right click, then update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select this option. Select this driver, then hit next. Once the installation is complete, close the page. We'll be prompted to restart. If the last step didn't fix the issue, next thing to do is troubleshoot the keyboard. Right click the Windows icon, go to settings, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, scroll down to the keyboard option, then run. This detects and fixes any other software issues your keyboard might have. At this point, your keyboard should be working properly. If the issue still has not been resolved after following the steps in this video, it's an indicator that your keyboard is faulty and needs to be replaced. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.